Hey guys, in this video, we are going to talk about the best ways to get leads from your website into your sales funnel. And so you're probably used to, the classic ways like putting a contact form somewhere on your website or your phone number at the top that says call now. Well, those are pretty outdated. So what I want to do is show all the ways that we've worked on getting more leads off our website and into our actual funnels so that you can use them for your business, for your clients' businesses, so that you can get more customers and grow. So, by the way, if you like this video or you want to learn more ways to grow your business through marketing, then be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and ask all your questions in the comments below. All right, so the first thing that I want to share is something that's been incredibly helpful for us. It's a platform called eWebinar. And basically what eWebinar allows us to do is have a webinar that we can constantly ask people to join. And so if someone's on our website and they want to learn more information, but they don't really want to pick up a phone or talk to somebody, they can say register now. And then through the eWebinar platform, they can pick the time that makes sense for them. And there's always a new one running, or they can watch a replay. And the cool thing is that you just record this webinar once, which explains your product or services. And then people can watch it at their convenience or think that it's a live webinar, because even though it's pre-recorded, people can still chat with you and you can respond using whatever tools you usually want to communicate through, whether it's Slack or email, or you can use Zapier to send it anywhere. So that's eWebinar. And again, that's been extremely helpful for us because people can just watch a webinar whenever they want, and we only had to record it once. The next way that we suggest businesses to get leads is by offering something for the person to do that helps provide value. So if you're a marketing agency, you might want to allow your clients to get a free Google Business Profile audit while on your website. And so that's why we developed this tool, where basically your lead, you can put this button on your website and your leads can go and get a complete audit of their profile, which has a value of a couple $100, and you can give it away for free just as a way to collect this lead information. And this has also been extremely helpful for us because it allows us to get a constant flow of new email addresses of people that were on our website and maybe didn't sign up, but instead they use this free tool so that our sales team can then look at them and make sure that, if they're a qualified buyer, they go and reach out to them. So think about what kind of tools or information the people on your website might want available at their fingertips and find a way to give it to them for free. And, there are companies like ours that offer these tools to different industries. So, we specialize in the marketing agency world. Whereas if, you can't find one, you can always use ChatGPT or an AI coding platform to build your own helpful tool. All right, the next thing that we tested out is a company called Chatbase. So Chatbase is like live chat, but it lives on your website like this, and it lets your customers, or potential customers rather, ask any questions that they want. And I have to say, I've been absolutely blown away by Chatbase's ability to actually give correct answers when somebody asks a question. And basically, what you can do with Chatbase is just answer the questions and bring them further down the funnel and try to keep getting them to book a call with you or book a meeting, or give their phone number so you can call them. And so it's a really action-oriented chatbot that not just provides value and answers immediately, but also can try to get them down your funnel even further. There's a bunch of tools like Chatbase, but I was able to get this up and running on our website in under 30 minutes and have been absolutely blown away by the quality of it. So I would definitely recommend them. And then something that you might have seen when we were on our website earlier is this little box here. So let me refresh our page so you can see how it works. So this is from a newer company called Face to Face, which we are trying out. And basically what it does is try to get people to realize that you're a human-run company and that you actually can talk to them. And so rather than trying to get them to pick up their phone and call you, they can say talk now or talk now with video, and it'll start a call through their browser. And then also allow you or your sales rep to navigate their screen with them to show them how it all works and really do the sales pitch right there on the spot. Or of course, they can also say schedule for later, which again shows them that there are people behind your business. And we find that we have a lot of people that are clicking this button to talk to our sales team. And you will run into the issue for sure of just getting a lot of leads that are not qualified, which will eat up your time. But it is a nice add-on that we're testing. So far we've gotten some good feedback from leads on it. So hopefully this video was helpful and you can figure out ways to implement some of these tools on your own website or your client's website so you can get those anonymous people that are just clicking around every day on the website to actually go deeper in the funnel so you can then email them or call them and try to close them on your products or services. So if you like this, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about any other tools that we use or that you're thinking about using, put them in the comments below. Thanks.